guys, what's happening? It is a beautiful Sunday and we are at the Finger Lakes Letchworth Trail and we are going to have a wonderful ride today and we hope you enjoy hanging out with us.
Yes, we'll have some fun on 4 wheels.
On 4 wheels today, we don't have 8, we got 4.
So sit back and enjoy the ride with us.
Do you really think I'm gonna make it?
I don't, but I don't think I'm gonna make it. Nope. Noped out of that real fast.
I'm going.
Go, go, go!
Shoot!
Almost, almost. Right. Whoa! Using a lot of brakes. All right, so looking at the profile when we looked at this, I didn't expect the big downhills. No, not for this end anyway. On the other, the next end, I did, but not on this end. Whoa! Oh, yeah! Hold on, I gotta try that. I thought you had it. Left is smoothest. Yeah. Whew. I won't tell you what the GPS says. I saw 21%. Ah, there we go. There's some breeze. Whew. Save it!
Save it.
So the Finger Lakes trail system, I think, goes quite a ways across New York State, this trail. But only certain sections they are mountain bike allowed. Oh, it's so pretty. This is just... Lean back a little, pull up. There you go. There we go. Piece of cake. Piece of cake. Oh yeah, no, I saw that I saw right as soon as we came around the corner, I was like, oh yeah, you can go straight there. Yeah, mine's still there too. Mine's still there too. Grinding over this stuff. My feet are staying right where they should. Yeah, okay. Wow, look at this forest. Oh. I know. More little stream crossings. You got this. Are you trying it? Or are you? Oh, that's tricky. How steep is that straight spot? Like if I come straight across there, how steep is that?
Oh, this?
Yeah.
Oh, you should come this way, definitely.
Okay.
It's steep, but it's not that's awful.
Okay. Let me just back up a little.
Yep. I think it went that way. It's kind of an up and down.
Okay. All right, well, this will be tricky. Let's see if we can do this. Yeah, that was the easier. It was a little. You had to commit and like give it some speed, but it was definitely easier than the way you went. She was going for the no-footed rock garden ride. Wrong gear. Hi, are you okay?
I'm fine.
You needed those padded pants you were talking about.
I'm falling and I can't get up.
Oh, yeah, that was the easy one. Yep. Whoa! Oh. Woo! We got some technical roots. Yeah, but your feet stayed on the pedals, as did mine. All right, here we go. Ah, nope. Wrong gear. I actually was in the wrong gear. I was actually too easy. I was in too easy of a gear.
Oh.
All right, so we've got 3.5 miles. We should see a outlet to the road here. Somewhere up here, I think. Yeah, go right up there. Just please don't ride off the edge. The Genesee River Gorge at Letchworth State Park. Wow. Whoa, that was pretty serious. What a blast, what an epic ride. We did, what did we do? How far did we go?
14.7.
14.7, and we had some crashes along the way.
We did.
some fun adventures, but what a beautiful place to ride. We're doing what every good mountain biker does after a epic ride. We're going to McDonald's for French fries and milkshakes.
We're waiting in the drive-thru.
So we're in the drive-thru line. Most excellent. But thanks for riding with us today, and we will see you guys all again soon.
Bye. Bye.